Welcome to Lesson 3. Your data is sitting on your laptop now, invisible to everyone else. In this lesson, we'll upload these CSV files into Foundry and turn them into governed, versioned, searchable datasets. Raw data is the foundation of everything you build in Foundry. If you upload it wrong, bad data types, missing values, schema errors, every pipeline, every ontology object, and every dashboard will inherit those mistakes. So get this step right. A file on your laptop is uncontrolled. A Foundry dataset is governed. Every dataset gets schema detection, version tracking, upload history, access permissions, and health checks. That's the difference. This process takes about 10 minutes per file, but it saves hours of debugging later. The key is verification, especially for dates and numbers that might be mistyped. In a hands-on video, you'll see this in action. These mistakes are common because they're not obvious just from looking at the data. A date column that looks fine in Excel might be stored as text. A zip code that looks normal might have lost its leading zero. Always verify the schema. 5 seconds of checking now saves hours of debugging later. Pay special attention to date columns in the work orders file. That's where most people make mistakes. Make sure Foundry reads them as date type, not string. If it defaults to string, change it manually. Once uploaded, you explore data using the data viewer. Most people only use preview and about, but history is valuable when you need to understand what changed, and health checks catch quality issues before they spread downstream. In this bootcamp, you're working alone, so permissions don't matter much, but in a real organization, they are critical. You don't want someone accidentally change raw data. You don't want salary data visible to everyone. Permissions live on every dataset and every folder. If you find a mistake in your raw data, don't just fix one cell. Upload a new version instead. Data errors propagate. One change means every downstream pipeline needs to rerun. Keep the original untouched. This step feels slow, but it's the foundation. The cleaner your data going in, the cleaner your pipelines, the more reliable your ontology, and the more trustworthy your apps. By the end of the class, please finish the homework and mark complete. In Lesson 4, you will connect these 3 datasets using Pipeline Builder. By the end, your 3 disconnected tables become one enriched dataset. I'll see you there.